Hi y'all, I'm Chase. This is my 2017 Road King, the Milwaukee-Eight 107, affectionately known as Alice. And today we're going to talk about the RideTechMoto.com helmet mount for the Bell Qualifier. Now, this is the mount just by itself. It's not perfect. I had to shave some of the excess. Let's see right here. See this on the side, right there, right in here in this area. I had to shave that so it would fit. So it's not perfect. The other problem I had, well, the J hook they sent with it, it just snapped. So that's pretty crappy. This is more like an L. They had something more like a J. The prongs right here just snapped. The plastic was just too damn cheap. I don't know where they're getting them from, but it was too cheap, snapped, it was no good. So the only thing that I've been able to use is this. The mount itself, now it's staying on there just fine. I haven't been able to mount a camera to it yet. And the safety wire harness, or whatever you want to call it, that's inside. That seems to be staying put. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. The J hook thing, it's making it so I can't really film or anything like that. So I don't know, if I was going to give this a rating, let's go out of 5. Half the parts worked, so 3. I mean, that's about the best I can give it. And the parts that do work, one of them I have to modify other parts for it to get it to work, so that's not very good either. I am disappointed. I think I can make it work, but I shouldn't have to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I use GoPro only parts. This is GoPro. I had to go to the store. I went to a Walmart. They had this, but I don't have another extension for right here for this part. Otherwise the camera doesn't sit right and I can't get it a full straight on look out of the windshield like I usually do. So I'm going to order one that's made out of aluminum. Hopefully that'll work. I don't want to use anything that's I'm going to get one made out of aluminum. Hopefully that'll work. Well, I don't know, but yeah, I think we're gonna go with aluminum. There's a couple of makers. I'll order one and see what happens. I mean, they're not real expensive, you know, 10, 15, 20 bucks. So yeah, that's the update for the RideTechMoto.com helmet mount for the Bell Qualifier. Like I said, I'm kind of disappointed. I was really hoping this would work out great. It turns out it doesn't work so great. So I guess that's going to be all. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding-a-ling if you want to be notified of any new videos I come out with, and bye y'all.